have the Samsung Galaxy S24 and I'll be showing you how to enable fast charging on this phone. Now, if you find that your phone is charging a little too slow for your liking, the first thing you want to do is enable fast charging. So to do that, go into settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to battery, tap on that, and then scroll down to charging settings, tap on that, and then you should see fast charging and fast wireless charging. So if these are disabled, then it means you need to enable fast charging by turning that on. Okay, so that is to turn on fast charging, and that's turning it off. So you can do that for both fast charging and fast wireless charging. If it's off, just turn it on by tapping on that toggle button. Now, after enabling fast charging, you need a fast charger to be able to charge your phone fast. Okay, now this is an example of a fast charger. This one is from Anker. This is a 65-watt charger. Okay, so I'll link it down below in case you're interested, but you do need a fast charger to charge your phone fast, even after enabling the fast charging option. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.